Good morning again. We just left Starbucks. I'm still looking a little rough. I mean, I really didn't do any makeup or anything. I just got her out of bed because that was kind of like a job in its own. So we just got out of Starbucks. I got my matcha green tea, which is my favorite, and what did you get?
Iced coffee.
Iced coffee. We need to go to Marshall's. We're gonna go get a present for Jake. So if you didn't know it, I've been following Jake from This Is Houston. It's a non-profit organization here in Houston, and they just rescued, I think back in October, this beautiful dog, Jake. He's all rehabilitated now. Like, his story, it's just heartbreaking. But anyway, he has a meet and greet today from 3 to 5, so we're gonna stop by at some point. I cannot adopt him, unfortunately. I would love to, but we already have one too many doggies in our house, and our apartment is tiny. But I still want to go meet him because I just fell in love with him, so we're gonna go do that today. So I'm gonna go get him a present right now, and Maria has to drop off something at Marshall's, and then we'll go back home to do a shoot over there, and then we're gonna go downtown for more shoots. So yeah, we've got a pretty busy day. How's your coffee? Good. So yeah, we'll see you in a bit.
It's just background, honey. We're not actually watching it.
It's for the ambiance.
Yes, exactly.
So we just arrived back home, and we're not really no. And we're just gonna have like a little charcuterie board for lunch, and then we're gonna go get some pictures downtown. And Pinto's really interested in this food, but he really can't eat that. And Michael finally appeared. There he is.
Hola.
Okay. And we just got some baby Swiss cheese. We've got some, was it goat cheese? No.
Goat cheese.
Goat cheese, and then some olives. And the everything bagel, I've never had it. It's really good. We got it from Trader Joe's the other day, and it's really, really good. No, Pinto.
No.
Gosh, this is so hard with these two guys.
No.
But we're gonna have some food.
Pinto, por Dios.
And try to control the beasts. We are all done. Are you excited?
Done.
Done with this shoot.
Not quite.
My Rosa didn't quite love it because she said it looked too fake, but I mean, it's supposed to be a fake Valentine shoot, so people don't really go around shooting on Valentine's. It's always like a fake Valentine's. Are you eating the props, sir? Okay, let's start picking up because we're gonna go meet Jake. And we have a mural to go to super fast. Are you excited? With your cookies, apparently? It's always a good idea to have a tea party, even if it looks fake. I love it. Let's go ahead and head out now. Okay, so we are rushing on our way to go see Jake. I am super excited. I've got him a cute little toy, which my doggies love, so I'm hoping he's gonna like it as well. And my Rosa back here is not too happy because we're gonna be running a little bit behind schedule on our shoot. But the day in general is very bad right now. It's very rainy. It's not rainy, but it's like very cloudy. So Jake's meetup is between 3 to 5, so we really can't risk it because if we go take the pictures, then we won't be able to make it on time to see Jake. So Michael, he wants to say something.
Yeah, so we're going to be late because she's not telling me where to go.
Oh, shoot. Okay, so keep going on Allen Parkway, and then we're gonna go towards 45 North.
45 North.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay. We made it. We're gonna go see, finally, Jake. I've cried so much for this dog, I don't even know him.
That's awesome.
You guys are good boy. Yes, but he's gonna feel like Lenny. He's on the plan where no, I was but they've got him on a special like prescription diet. Your day?
Oh my god, he's so big.
He was great.
Oh my god, there's so many people here. There's so many people that came to see him. He's way bigger than I thought. So adorable. I really wish I could get adopt him.
Okay.
Do you have this one? No, no.
Yeah, so 20 and 10 is 30.
Oh, it's so cute.
Like, you're gonna be, like, I'm gonna be standing where you are. So she's gonna be a little bit ahead of you. So she's gonna be
On the right?
grabbing.
On the right? On the far side?
What?
Where will she be? You're her. So you're
Yeah, so she's gonna grab your hand and she's gonna be like here and then you're gonna be like not that far.
I got
Just
you.
so I can shoot both of you.
So
And then
you
you're
can
gonna
see.
be walking.
Are we gonna point our faces that way? Like this? Or
Yes, just like looking
just
not
like
that
out.
way.
Look at out.
Yeah.
We just arrived downtown and the mirror we were wanting to go to was already painted on, so we don't have that anymore. So we decided to come downtown. It's very cloudy right now, so we're about to start shooting some pictures before it gets actually even darker. We are at Buca di Beppo, is that how you pronounce it?
Buca de Beppo.
Buca di Beppo.
What?
What?
Buca de Beppo.
Buca di Beppo.
No, it's a B.
Buca. That's what I'm saying.
Buca de Beppo.
Okay, eat your salad. Oh my god, this salad looks really, really good.
Michael,
Take-
you have to take this
It's yours.
and just leave a little bit to us.
Look at that. We got like a, I don't know, like a walnut, apple, gorgonzola salad, and it looks really good. And we also got some lasagna. We did our shoots today, freezing again, but
Oh yeah.
can you don't pick at the salad from everyone?
This is really good.
You're excited for your food, Maria Rosa?
I am.
And here is the lasagna, which looks really, really good. The salad was delicious. It was so good. The three of us really loved it.
This is my favorite salad I've ever had, actually.
Really?
Yeah.
What about you? Is it your favorite salad ever? Yeah, it could be. Thank you.
Thank you.
So let's go ahead and start eating. Someone has to cut this baby up. There's like an Italian
You want
party
mine?
going on somewhere. So good. Somehow we made it to the last day of January and I am trying to tidy everything up and I have a mess behind me. So my vanity and my makeup drawers are a mess. If I'm being completely honest, my full room is a mess. So my bedroom is really bad. My friend Maria Rosa just left to go back to Mexico City. I left her at the airport this morning. I had some tea. I had half a bagel, so I'm kind of good for a little while. It is kind of getting late. I do have to go to Ulta in a little while, and we have to take Pinto to the vet. He has some vaccines coming up. But for now, I just wanted to show you real quick a little glance of what everything back there looks like, and we're gonna get to cleaning and putting some clothes away. So I just wanted to bring you on with me while we tidy up some of these things, and I have to do my makeup. I probably won't be filming today for my YouTube, just like the blog, because I do have a lot of editing to do, so I don't think I'm gonna be able to squeeze both of those things in. So let's just get right into cleaning, because whenever my room is messy, I get really stressed out and I cannot deal with my life. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning, and then we'll probably see you back whenever we go to the bed. So let's get to work. Massive bowl. This was not intended. And then whenever the guy put in like the sofritas, I always get sofritas, which is just tofu. Oh my god, it was so much. I was like, damn, that was a lot of food. But that's what my boy is cooking like. I always get white rice. So it's white rice, sofritas, and Michael got a salad because he's trying to be healthy. I am not. Not today. And corn and everything, delicious. No meat, no milk stuff. So yeah, it's looking really good. And I always like to order the chipotle tabasco on the side. It's the most delicious thing. And of course I do add the two sauces that they always make. And a Diet Coke to top everything off, because we're so healthy, right? So I'm back home. I did run the errands I had to do, and now I'm kind of like working on finally putting down the Christmas tree. I have it in the kitchen right now because we did use the living room yesterday for some shoots for Valentine's, and right now I'm working on that. We just had dinner. We had leftovers for dinner. We had some Italian from last night, and then today we went to Chipotle, so we had that for just a small dinner. And Pinto did go to the vet, and he has an ear infection right now. So they put some medication, and he did get some blood drawn. You can see his little hand right there. He's a little sad. Are you okay, mi amor? We'll be getting the results probably sometime this week, but you know, he's already on medication for his ear infection, and hopefully that's the only thing. I just wanted to run some kind of like general tests to make sure everything was good with him. My dining table right now is a mess. I do have the bicycle up here. I have to put a towel on it because Rimes likes to eat the wicker basket, so I don't want him ruining that, so I just kind of like covered it. So I'm finishing up with the Christmas tree. I am excited. I'm kind of sad to see it go, but I'm excited to have like Valentine's in full swing in my house. I did do a little shopping. I went to Banana. They had a really good sales. I picked up a couple of things for Michael, a couple of things for me, and we finally got a light bulb in our living room, because we thought the lamp was just broken. It wasn't broken, it didn't have a light bulb. So yes for electricity. And I did get that new lamp last weekend from Marshall's. So this is where the Christmas tree was, so it's gonna be like an empty space right there, but I feel like it looks good. It looks kind of like flowy, and I don't know, I like it. I might just bring in a little plant there. The problem is that Remus loves to bite on my plants, so I'm not sure about that just yet. But yeah, Christmas is officially gone, and we do have some Valentine's stuff going on. I had to go to Walmart to pick up one of these clear bins to put the Christmas stuff up. But yeah, you guys, I'm pretty tired. I want to go to bed early today. I've had a long weekend, going to bed pretty late. So I want to go to bed around 9:30 today, hopefully the latest, just relax, read some, and then go to bed. I do have to do a couple of things before work tomorrow, so I want to go to sleep early. That's kind of like my goal of the week and the month. But other than that, I think I'm probably gonna cut it off right now, because I do have a lot of things to do before bed, and I definitely want to get this living room situated with the whole Christmas stuff put away. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you can keep up with Michael's and I mini adventures. And a video will be up tomorrow with the Rare Beauty. Probably by the time you see this, it's already gonna be up. So anyway, Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!